Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Wolfgang Strohmeyer, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Austria to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Republic of Austria, Alexander van der Bellen, has addressed to Your Excellency, accredited me as the Ambassador of the Republic of Austria to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government and the people of the Republic of Austria our warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Thank you very much. And we do have
2, 3.